This 2026 Forest River Sunseeker Classic 3010DS is a Class C RV. It is located in Altoona, Iowa, 50009 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Des Moines. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, slide-out, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2026 Forest River Sunseeker Classic 3010DS is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.